because I'm learning about history, and it's not important for me, for
Hmm.
my job actually. Like we should learn whatever we need for the job, but they're teaching me a lots of extra things,
Hmm.
and my little brain cannot take this kind of pressure, bro. I have a little brain, so
No,
yeah.
no, 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 no. Don't say that. Don't say that. I think you need to be more confident about yourself. That's really important. No, don't say like those things. I'm not smart or those things about brain. Don't say that, please. Believe in
Thanks,
yourself.
thanks a lot.
Yeah, believe in yourself.
But what was your major?
Um, my major is electrical mechanical.
Wow,
Not well,
wow,
but
wow,
I love music. For example, I play guitar, but I'm
wow, wow,
trying
wow,
I'm
wow,
trying to
wow,
learn
wow,
piano right now. For
bro, wow.
like this, like this is good. I'm gonna. If you were a kid, I could play like this.
Oh God, you're calling me a loser in every way,
I
bro,
could make you sleepy playing this song.
bro.
but I'm thinking, for example, I live in Brazil. Things are not so good here right now. So we have a bad president. The government are awful right now. There are people suffering a lot because of that, and I'm trying several stuff at the same time. I'm trying to get a new job. For example, that's why I'm here too.